Hi, this is Andrew from Bespoke 3D Creations, and I thought I'd just do an intro video. I've been approached to help do some 3D printing and design work for this awesome RX-7 rotary turbo conversion. To start with, I'm going to be doing the fender flares or wheel arches, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Hopefully a whole bunch more stuff just to help make this car even more unique. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of attention to detail going in. So the first thing I did was use my Einstar Vega to scan the whole side. Obviously not everything, as I'm focusing on the wheel arches, and I used textured mode just to get a good overview. This is sufficient detail for what I need to do, where I'm just building, the wheel arches. But I did take a slightly more detailed scan as well, just so that you can, I made sure I captured the exact shape. Anyway, follow along, subscribe, and come for the journey and see how this car turns out. Cheers.